Ako naman, nandito ako sa Imago, sobrang honored ko naman sa part ko. Siyempre, parang, it's not everyday na magbibigyan ka ng opportunity to be part of a band that is already established and very big na no, sa OPM. So, sobrang saya lang din na sila yung kasama ko.
I think I want to add that we really wanted to get original songs out with her as part of the songwriting para mabuo na yung sound namin with her. So we're happy to have this EP coming out because she wrote most of the lyrics and we're very excited for the world to hear it.
Baka may hindi nakakaalam na si Corey, in her own right, meron na siyang career before talaga. She had her own thing going on. And we're just lucky na nagka-hiatus siya doon, tapos kaya may kailangan namin ng panibagong band member to move forward, and we sort of found each other. And, yun nga, maraming magaling na kumanta, maraming perfect pitch and everything, pero hindi yun yung hanap, mas importante yung hanap mo kabanda. And we're so lucky na ka-vibes namin siya, kahit medyo younger siya ng konti. You know, ayan, kasundo kami lahat.